Welcome to our video on wood chipper machines. These powerful beasts transform bulky branches and logs into manageable chips with jaw-dropping efficiency. From backyard cleanup to industrial landscaping, we'll explore their raw strength, cutting-edge features, and unmatched versatility. Buckle up as we dive into the world of wood chippers and showcase their incredible power in action. Powerful tree rakes, revolutionizing land clearing. Tree rakes are robust attachments for tractors, skid steers, or excavators, designed to clear land by efficiently removing trees, roots, and debris. These heavy-duty tools excel in landscaping, forestry, and construction, offering unmatched power for tackling tough jobs. Advantages: efficiency. Tree rakes clear large areas quickly, uprooting small trees and shrubs in one pass, saving time and labor. Versatility. Compatible with various equipment, they handle diverse terrains and tasks, from site preparation to storm cleanup. Durability. Built with high-strength steel, they withstand harsh conditions and heavy use. Minimal soil disturbance. Unlike bulldozers, tree rakes target vegetation while preserving topsoil, ideal for selective clearing. Disadvantages: cost. High-quality tree rakes are expensive, with additional maintenance costs for wear and tear. Equipment dependency. They require powerful machinery, limiting use for those without compatible equipment. Limited precision, less effective for delicate tasks or areas requiring selective clearing. Safety risks. Improper use can lead to accidents, demanding skilled operators. Tree rakes are game changers for land management, but their cost and operational needs require careful consideration. Canal cleaning machines revolutionize waterway maintenance with their exceptional efficiency and precision. These advanced machines swiftly remove debris, sediment, and vegetation, ensuring unobstructed water flow and preventing flooding. Unlike manual methods, they significantly reduce labor costs and time, completing tasks in hours that would take days. Equipped with powerful suction and cutting mechanisms, they handle tough blockages, from silt to tree roots, with ease. Their eco-friendly design minimizes environmental disruption, preserving aquatic ecosystems while maintaining canal health. Automated controls and GPS integration enhance accuracy, allowing operators to target specific areas without damaging canal infrastructure. Additionally, these machines are versatile, adaptable to various canal sizes and conditions, from urban waterways to rural ditches. Regular use extends canal longevity, reduces maintenance frequency, and improves water quality, benefiting agriculture, irrigation, and urban drainage systems. Investing in canal cleaning machines ensures sustainable, cost-effective, and reliable waterway management. Wood trucks equipped with forks and powered by robust, durable engines are indispensable for heavy-duty logging and material handling. These specialized vehicles excel in transporting and maneuvering timber, thanks to their sturdy forks, which securely grip and lift logs of varying sizes. The forks' hydraulic systems ensure precise control, reducing the risk of damage to the load or surrounding environment. Designed for rugged terrains, these trucks feature powerful engines, often diesel-powered, that deliver high torque and exceptional reliability, even under extreme conditions. Their durability minimizes downtime, with reinforced components resisting wear from constant heavy loads in harsh outdoor environments. Advanced transmission systems enhance fuel efficiency while maintaining optimal performance, making them cost-effective for large-scale operations. Additionally, ergonomic cabs with intuitive controls improve operator comfort and safety, boosting productivity. Many models include all-wheel drive for superior traction on muddy or uneven ground, ensuring year-round usability. Wood trucks with forks and long-lasting engines streamline forestry tasks, reduce labor costs, and enhance operational efficiency, making them a vital asset for the timber industry and sustainable forest management. Wood crushers are essential machines for processing timber, branches, and wood waste into manageable chips or mulch. Equipped with powerful and durable engines, these machines ensure efficiency and reliability in demanding environments like forestry, landscaping, and recycling operations. High-performance engines, often ranging from 15 to 100 horsepower, deliver the torque needed to crush dense hardwoods in large volumes of material. Diesel or gasoline-powered, these engines are designed for continuous operation, minimizing downtime. Advanced models feature fuel-efficient systems, reducing operational costs while maintaining robust output. Durability is key in wood crushers. Engines are built with heavy-duty components, such as reinforced steel casings and corrosion-resistant parts, to withstand harsh conditions and prolonged use. Many include cooling systems to prevent overheating during extended tasks. Regular maintenance, like oil changes and filter replacements, further extends engine life. Modern wood crushers also prioritize user-friendly features, such as easy start mechanisms and low-vibration technology, enhancing operator comfort. With their combination of raw power, rugged construction, and long-lasting performance, these machines are indispensable for transforming wood waste into valuable resources efficiently.